Hi guys, and welcome back to iMobie YouTube channel. After the release of iOS 18, many Apple users wanted to update. However, a plethora of them reported issues with iOS 18 update not showing up on their iPhones. If you're also experiencing this problem as well, then this video was born especially for you. In today's review, we're gonna share with you some really helpful tips how to fix this issue of the iOS 18 update not showing up right on your iPhone. Well, let's dive in right now. First and foremost, we would like to ponder the following question: why is the iOS 18 update not showing up right on my iPhone? To start with, one reason the iOS 18 update may not be showing up is that your iPhone generation is not supported. Here is the list of all compatible models with which you can proceed to understand whether your iPhone supports iOS 18 update or not. For instance, the iPhone 10 and earlier models don't support the iOS 18. Well, this could be one of the most popular reasons why the iOS 18 update is not showing up. Surely there are other reasons, such as network issues, insufficient iPhone storage space, and excessive update traffic, which can cause the update to be delayed. As for the first tip, you can hard reset your iPhone. For that, press the volume up button once, then the volume down button once, and hold the side button until the Apple logo appears on the screen of your device. If this simple solution doesn't fix your issue, then we recommend you to proceed for the following method. As for the second solution, try to reset your Wi-Fi settings. For that, simply go to your default settings app, then hit to General, scroll all the way down, and here tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone menu. Next, choose Reset Network Settings option, and then when the reset is completed, you will need to reconnect your device to your Wi-Fi afterwards again. Last but not least, if none of the mentioned above methods didn't solve the issue at all, we highly recommend you to try AnyFix utility that is for 100% a reliable update to iOS 18 solution. AnyFix is a powerful software that addresses more than 150 iOS system issues without data losing, including the iOS 18 update not showing, iPhone stuck on the Apple logo, iPhone stuck on the update request, and many others. And now let us show you how it actually works. Firstly, you can free download AnyFix utility from the link right in the description. Secondly, connect your iPhone to the computer via USB or Type-C cable, and in the pop-up menu of the utility, find and select Update or Downgrade iOS feature. Then confirm the selection of one-click iOS upgrade option and click on Download Now button. Next, select the iOS 18 system version that you wish to upgrade to. Once the downloading of the firmware is completed, click on Upgrade Now button. Afterwards, AnyFix will start preparing your iOS device for upgrade automatically. Then select Update and Restore option and your data will not be erased. We kindly would like to notice that the upgrade will take some time, so please be patient. After the whole procedure will be completed successfully, your iPhone will restore the backup data and reboot automatically. And now, AnyFix has successfully updated your iPhone to the latest iOS 18 version. And here we go! It's just so simple as that. Hope that all the tips that we mentioned were kinda useful. Don't forget to subscribe on our channel, give this review a thumbs up, and share it with your friends on the social nets. Thanks for watching guys, and see you next time. Peace!